with the sand beads. So then it's really nice because it's so only the white color. So then when it come out, it doesn't look like. Sometimes you're doing on the nails and the clients couldn't clean it. All tiny little sand is falling on the edges right here and just drive you crazy, right?
Yeah, those
so
small
now it's so much better than I have the sand beads. So there's the white one. I think the white's so much better. Me's just talking with me, guys, how maybe Vicky can answer the speeds on it. I will have to write it down. Somehow my precision it doesn't look right. Can you see Instagram? So I'm gonna go in on the side and slide right between the cuticles and the end of color acrylics, like part right here, and then clean that. This will cause a lot of lifting if you don't clean. Prep is important at first, but we don't show the prep this time. But this is like how we clean. Just using like 45 degree when you're holding the edges of your sand beads. So then you can help going just really close to the cuticle, but it's not right on the cuticle. Mika has Kira Sky E5 is so fancy when it's in the body of the nails. Just clean it up. Flatten the sand bead. Down, up. So if you are the first like a beginners, like you're afraid if you want to fight too much in the cuticles, I would use with the sand beads like this. That's what exactly I'm showing you. But just really depend on you if you prefer go right into the different beads, which is the fine or mediums, you can. Okay, so I'm gonna turn and clean it, or you can use it the underneath clean is, which is this is so like classic basic sand beads, but it works great, you know. Okay, I don't know why I fired that pinky one because we did it already. And I want to change it to the mediums. You can do fine or mediums, either ways. And this one I have is ceramics one. And same speed. Okay, it's just like good. All right, everyone. Thank you. This is really important. You make sure you're gonna get clean on the edges right here. So it's how you're gonna clean, like really closer, but you don't want to be too aggressive in this because you have to make sure you be careful. And make sure you get the separate, you can see the line of the cuticle right here, right? So you do closer, like just a hair, but not like too much. If you take it too much off, then it looks like a client is 2 weeks away, you know, growing out. But if you don't clean that, that's what happens. It's gonna get a lot of lifting time, and like the client's gonna come back in maybe a few days or a week later, it's gonna start lifting a lot. Huh? I'm sorry. Good. Hi, Wendy. I just want to say hi on Facebook.
Yeah, that's like that. Anita, you don't have to talk, just talk to them.
Oh, okay.
Save you so much trouble.
Okay.
Yep, and like sometime when they start focusing on help, feel free to just entertain them.
Okay.
Sing a song or something.
Sing a song?
Sing a song.
Okay. Well, so you know how to sing? Yeah? You probably have a good voice, do you?
Nah.
We should do a like a stream Zoom together and sing karaoke, sing. All right. So I am gonna using the big block. Why do I get this and why is that like
Monomer.
that? Oh, I did monomer in that. How could I do it? So I using this buff from Mika, the first nails that I did. Well, it's first hand that I did it. So when you're buffing in the same technique too, I'm gonna do it in like buff it from the center of the nails down and toward like on the both sides so it keep a nice shape. But also smooth the whole entire surface of the nails. Especially if you're doing a clear, you want to make it nice and smooth so then when you polish, gel polish for instance. But this case we don't use any gel polish, but we'll do some designs on it. Well, butterflies.
Someone asked how much is the Pixie on sale going for?
The Pixie, 20% off on sale for the Pixie right now. And sticker and then Pixie, the Trendy Sticker and Pixie is so much fun to work with.
And if you want to get it quick because there's only about another 3 days or so for the
Oh.
sale.
I see. Oh, thank you very much. I couldn't keep it up. Dust it off. I just dust the dust off, but then I'm using alcohol and clean it.
There you go.
She's staying here with us, so I can't send her off. I'm using alcohol to clean that off, dust off.
Right, you ready for the design?
Yeah. Mika, here you go.